Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a bat! So, let's get started. First, we will draw the bat's face, its body. Now I am drawing its eyes, mouth, and ears. It's time to draw bat's wings. At last, we will draw its legs. Now we will highlight our drawing. Now we will color the whole bat black. At last, we will outline the bat using silver color. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.